This industry's faced tariff and trade restrictions for the better part of the last 50 years, heading back to the early 80s. There's been 5 big disputes, and currently it's about a 14.4% tariff on average that Canadian companies face exporting to the U.S. And it was already scheduled to double to near 30% by August. We expect that announcement coming towards the end of this month.
Could Trump, I know it may be impossible to answer, but could Trump's proposed tariffs go on top of that?
So that's the speculation, and we did publish the research note yesterday that looked at what would be the implications if we faced, a 55% tariff for the second half of this year, and it's undeniably punitive for the industry.
You warned that BC, which has already seen so many shutdowns of mills, could face more losses in the industry.
Yeah, a 25% tariff at today's lumber price would raise costs by about US $100. And we certainly don't have that margin today in British Columbia or Quebec. Most Canadian mills would be really struggling if, in the event that those costs came up and prices didn't offset.
Just remind us, the problem in BC is partly shortage of trees, isn't it? Partly because of the mountain pine beetle.
There's no question that historically we had a low-cost business in British Columbia. However, with the mountain pine beetle, less trees available, too many mills chasing too many trees, and log costs went up higher. Some of these problems, though, are self-imposed. We do have access to fiber in BC is challenged with some of the government policies as well.